Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey and I'm so excited to be back with another week diving into crypto and blockchain. We have so much to cover, so let's jump right into everything. Over on Discord, we are now at 3,807 members. Whether you're a dev, a builder, or just someone curious about decentralization, it is the perfect space to exchange ideas and get assistance directly from our team. Over on social media, we gave you guys a little sneak peek into our side event at Permissionless this year. If you missed it, don't worry, we've got more content coming soon. But let's just say, Dennis the Menace Rodman, our CEO Kyle, and Blockworks co-founder Jason, all sharing a stage for a Q&A on crypto and authenticity. Legendary. Stay tuned for more pics and videos. I'm so excited to show you. This week, let's dive into Lightchain Protocol AI. Lightchain is positioning itself at the forefront of Web3 by combining blockchain infrastructure with advanced AI capabilities. Their approach centers on two core components: Proof of Intelligence, or POI, and the Artificial Intelligence Virtual Machine, also known as AIVM. POI rethinks traditional consensus by rewarding nodes that perform useful AI computations, like model training and inference, effectively making AI work part of how the network stays secure. The AIVM acts as a dedicated compute layer built for real-time AI tasks. It supports major frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch and includes built-in privacy safeguards using zero-knowledge proofs and homomorphic encryption. Okay, so I know this isn't technically considered upcoming, but I wanted to talk a little bit about our side event at Permissionless last week. If you were there, thank you. It was everything we hoped for and more. No panels, no lectures, just good energy, weirdly tall people, hi again Dennis Rodman, and real conversations that didn't feel like networking theater. We met some insanely smart, passionate people who genuinely care about where Web3 is going. Some convos were chaotic, some deep, and all of them reminded us of why we love being in this space. Huge thanks to everyone who came through and helped make it magical. If you took any pics at the event, send them our way. We want to see your POV. To wrap things up today, let's talk about how to back up Arbitrum event data to IPFS using Pinata and Ponder. As blockchain ecosystems grow, one big issue they face is storage. Arbitrum, for example, is an optimistic rollup that helps scale Ethereum by offering fast and low-cost transactions. But even with solutions like that, the problem of long-term data bloat still lingers. Every on-chain interaction, like smart contract events, gets recorded to the ledger that builds up fast. Our solution is backing up that event data to IPFS so it can be pruned and still remain accessible. Event logs are incredibly useful. They help track things like token transfers, NFT mints, or contract interactions. In one of our recent blog posts, we break this down using Ponder, a tool for indexing blockchain data. With it, you can store and back up your own smart contract event logs to IPFS, and even reconstruct a database from that backup if needed. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting content from myself and my team. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye!